Yeah.
We're on. Oh, hello, viewers.
It's the Homie and Miko show.
It's called Homie and Miko's Homestyle Cooking. Gosh. Anyway, what you need today is rabbit. What you need today is Betty Crocker's fudge brownie mix made with chocolate cocoa. Professionals use it, but unfortunately, since we hate professionals, because they're all professionally. Hit it, homie. That ought to work. Okay, just get a bowl. Please get a bowl so you don't get it on the table, and Mother won't like that. Hi, Mom. Okay, so you need to get some of this stuff, and then get a mallet and pound it with the mallet. Pound it with the mallet. Pound it harder. There you go. Pound it, mallet. Pound it. Pound it. Pound it. Yeah. Pound it. Pound good. Pound it. Oh yeah. Get it off. Get it off. Get it off. Okay. Ah! That's good. Okay. And now you take that all, put it in the bowl of wonder.
It's just a plain bowl.
Shut up! Okay. Then you get. Please go get the next ingredient. Okay. You get this liquid stuff.
Hey.
It's very used in many different countries. It's really good.
Where'd you find this? Did you find this in the dumpster?
It's mine. Bring it back. Bring it back. We need that.
But it's mine.
Listen, do you really want to go through this again?
No.
Go away.
But I'm watching you too.
Just dump it in. Dump it in. You dump it in. Hurry, hurry, hurry before he comes back. Okay.
So basically, you just
then
use
get the
teddy bear
seasoned salt.
Okay. Seasoned salt.
Go. More. Enough! And now, some garlic. Bob the turkey vampire over there doesn't really like garlic, so we're just gonna put that away. Okay, now get the teaspoon and the ketchup. This is a teaspoon, right? I just like got it. Okay.
Arg. Arg.
That's weird. Really weird. Okay, get it. More. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay. Then you have to
Put this in.
Yeah, I think that's beef jerky or something. Yeah, it's very chewy. And now some blue stuff. Don't really know. Okay, and then grind it all up, homie.
I will do that.
Ground it all up, homie.
First, you start out slow and steady.
Yes, very steady.
Then you end up monsters.
Okay. Okay.
It's not ground up yet.
Stop it! Stop it!
You want to lick this move?
Not really. It looks kind of gross. Who wants to taste it?
Not me.
No.
Wait! I want to taste it! I'm blue just like it. Okay.
But it looks so tasty. Okay, let's see. One of the lucky audience members will get to choose. You, over there.
There.
Me?
Yes, you.
Get over here.